Kasi sila rin ay ikaw. Ikaw rin ay sila. Hey beautiful people, this is Pearl Hong and our question for today is, what role does empathy play in your life? So ano nga ba pag sinabing empathy? Ibig sabihin ba ng empathy yung parang maaawa ka lang? Or there's a deeper meaning out of it? Empathy plays a very important role in my empire. More likely that I'm leading thousands of people, no? And as the founder of Elites Empire, talagang may mga nagtatanong sa akin, paano mo na-build yung empire mo na ganyan? And one thing na sinasabi ko ay hindi nawawala yung empathy. That is, hindi ka naaawa sa tao lamang, hindi mo kasi dapat kaawaan ng tao dahil may galing siya. Pero pag sinabing empathy, you understand that person's characteristic based on kung sino siya. So kapag meron siyang mga nagagawang bagay or pagkatao niya, always remember na meron niyang imprint sa buhay niya. Bakit ganyan yung naging reaction niya at pagkatao niya? And if you have empathy, you will not take things personally. Big sabihin nun, ay, yung isa doon, maldita. Akala mo tuloy, ikaw yung minamalditahan niya. Yun pala, talagang nakakunot lang yung noo dahil hindi mabasa yung binabasa. May mga gano'n na parang, ay, wala lang palang salamin kaya nakakunot yung noo. Minsan naman, may kakasalubong ka na tao, very sensitive. Halimbawa, nasagi mo lang. Talagang sobrang sensitive niya. But then, those people, if you will not take things personally, if you will not take them personally, their attitude personally, hindi ka maapektuhan sa buhay mo. And have that wide understanding. And na-develop ko yung empathy by knowing that people are not perfect. And it will start from yourself. Alam ko na kung sino ako 10 years ago is very different from my 5 years ago and is very different from kung ano ako today. So knowing that the best is yet to come, not just for your dreams, circumstances, but for the people as well that you meet. I always know na parang, the best is yet to come dito sa tao na to. Kasi ganun ko rin tignan yung sarili ko. That the best is yet to come to my personality. So in my own personal experience, nagkakaroon ako na empathy sa tao dahil nare-relate ko yung sarili ko na, ay, ganyan din ako 20 years ago. Ay, ganyan din ako nung high school. Machika. Oh. Ay, ganyan din ako nung bago pa lang ako nagne-negosyo. Ganyan yung pag-uugali ko. And by knowing yourself, you'll also be able to know other people as well. If you know yourself very well, you will know other people very well as well. So, nare-reflect mo yung sarili mo na, ay, naiintindihan ko siya. Bakit? Dahil ganyan din ako noon. Katulad ng mga taong nangangarap. There was a point sa buhay na, even sa own life ko, na meron siyang parang, ayoko na. Doon na lang ako sa normal na buhay, ayoko na mangarap. Bahala na yung pangarap na yan. Minsan may mga ganon. And pag may tao akong namimit na ganon, naiintindihan ko siya, bakit? Ganyan din ako noon. Na-experience ko rin na-experience niya. So, for me, that's empathy. And you will be able to give it out so much if you know in yourself, deep in you, na ganun ka rin dati. Kumbaga, you will not judge them kasi sila rin ay ikaw. Ikaw rin ay sila. This is Pearl Hong sending you love and light!